Welcome to the online lecture series of refrigeration and air conditioning. Here is Professor Lakshman Mani. This is a video session on summer, winter and year-round air conditioning system. In this session, you will be able to explain summer air conditioning system, winter air conditioning system and year-round air conditioning system. Air conditioning means to supply and maintain desirable internal atmospheric conditions for human comfort and product irrespective of external conditions. It is simultaneous control of temperature, humidity, motion and purity of air inside a closed space. Control properties of moist air are temperature. It is maintained by cooling coil or heating coil. Humidity means moisture content of air is maintained by use of dew point temperature of cooling coil. Motion means circulation and movement of air is controlled by electromechanical fan or blower system at the air handling unit. Cleanliness depending on the air purity requirements. Filter controls higher or lower particle, viruses, bacteria, odors, etc. According to season of the year, air conditioning systems are classified as winter air conditioning system, summer air conditioning system and year-round air conditioning system. Winter air conditioning system. In this system, normally in winter, heating and humidification of air is done. Outside air passes through a damper and mix with return air. This mixed air then passes through filter in order to remove dust and other impurities. Then air passes through a preheat coil in order to prevent the freezing of water. Then air passes through reheat coil to bring that air at designed dryable temperature. So these processes can be understood by using psychrometric chart diagram. So here is a process 1 to A is taking place, sensible heating. Then A to B is a humidification and B to 2 is reheating. So 1 to A is a process taking place in a free heater. A to B humidification process take place in humidifier and B to 2 process take place at reheater. So at the end, conditioned air is supplied to the space by using the fan, by using this duct, that is supply duct. Summer air conditioning system. In summer, cooling and dehumidification of air is done. In this process, outside air means fresh air first of all passes through a damper. Then this fresh air is mixed with return air. Mixed air then passes through filter in order to remove dust particles. Then it is passing through the cooling coil. Then it is passes through perforated membrane in order to lose moisture in the air. Finally, the air passes over the heating coil in order to bring that air at desired dryable temperature. And then this conditioned air is supplied by using fan to the space to be cooled, that is room. Year-round air conditioning system is a combination of both. That's why year-round air conditioning system have equipment of both winter and summer air conditioning. In this case, outside air passes through a damper. Then it is mixed with return air. When the season is summer, then in this case system operates cooling coil in order to cool the air. Dehumidification of the air is carried out by maintaining the temperature of cooling coil below the dew point temperature. That is what apparatus dew point. When the winter season, heating coil is operated in order to heat the air. So in this way, this system is used in the both season. That's why the name is year-round air conditioning system. So at the end of this session, you can explain summer air conditioning system, winter air conditioning system, and year-round air conditioning system. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.